Hi guys, I'm Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush, and in this video, I'm going to explain you how to use my new add-on POM Clouds or Parallax Occlusion Mapping Clouds. It is based on my previous add-on POM. Right now, it is not available on asset library because it is going to get checked by the asset library managers, moderators, and then I hope at the time you are watching the video, you will be available to see the POM Clouds add-on here. So until then, you are going to go to my GitHub page and you grab the project from there. The link is in the description, and you will see something like this here, the POM Clouds. And let me show you how to use it. So let me delete this previous node here and let's add new node POM Clouds and create. And after that, you are not seeing something like this because your waving distance is low. You have waving distance like this and you are seeing cutoff like this because your render distance is low. Just go to view, go to settings and change your far view distance to or to match your scale or more than your scale. So let's keep it on 2 lakh or let's keep it on 10 lakh. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how far you are going to see, and we will do same with the camera. Let's keep near to 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1 to our near distance and 10 lakh 0 0 0 0 0 to far distance. So we don't have to worry about the cutoff by not rendering the clouds. Now let me show you the settings of our clouds. By the way, as you can see, these clouds are nothing but plane with different values of alpha on each layer. So this cloud add-on here is going to work with every renderer like forward plus mobile and compatibility too, because it is just plain with alpha map. So to use it, uh, first of all, let me introduce you to POM layers. POM layers are nothing but layers of plane on our POM cloud. So as you can see, this is a extension of multi-mesh instance 3D, and planes, these planes are basically instances, and we are just changing their uh, vertex color value to change their height and using like the cloud. And so if you increase the layers, you will get better looking clouds, but your performance will decrease. And if you reduce the value of if you reduce the instances, you will get more performance but less better looking clouds. So you have to find that way middle way. So let's say I'm going to keep it on 15. I can crank it up because I have better GPU, but with lower end devices, you have to crank it down. So this is our scale, and we can change this to 1 lakh, 2 lakh, or 10 lakh. This is basically how far your clouds are going. This how large your cloud box is going to be. So I'm going to keep it on 1 lakh, and now this is our height. This is height from our world origin. This is our world origin, and this is 6,000 height. And we can change it here. Let's say I want to make it 5,000. And now you can see our pole is on top of the clouds. And as you can see, the textures are working fine. And now and after these settings, there are more settings. which are under geometry, material override, and shader parameters. And these are our shader parameters. So the layer gap is the distance between each layer, like our previous add-on. This is same as our previous add-on POM. As you can see, there are 20 layers, and I'm going to keep it like this so my illusion of clouds will not break. And after that, this is the far field distance. As you can see, the uh, clouds are fading in the far distance. That is happening because of this texture. This is basically a big round texture, big round alpha texture multiplying with the alpha map to get this far fade like effect. As you can see, if I go away, the clouds will fade in or fade out. You can see. So after that, we have cloud vertical shape. As you can see, the round shapes of these clouds that is happening because of this, and you can control this. Like if you want your clouds like upside down, you can do this, or you can have normal clouds by doing this. After that, you have UV scale. As you can see, I can reduce or increase my UV scale. I'm going to reduce it to 0.5 because these clouds look much normal. Uh, I mean, much natural. And after that, we have wind resistance. If I reduce the resistance, our clouds will go super fast. And if I increase the resistance, our clouds will go super slow. I am going to find some middle ground here and do 500. And after that, we have our main cloud noise texture. And here is everything. You can change the shape of our clouds directly from this here. You can tweak it. You can take your time and tweak all the settings, but I'm going to keep it default because I like this way. And after that, we have the cloud expansion controls here. This basically determines how thick your clouds are going to be. I don't like thicker clouds because they block all the sky. That's why I'm going to keep thin clouds or medium clouds like this one. And maybe I will change the height of clouds later. And this is our clouds color. As you can see, I can change the translucency of our clouds, or if you want to see rainy clouds, you can make the color completely black, and now you have clouds of rain. Or you can keep it a little bit whiter, grayish white, and keep the clouds lightweight like this. And I'm going to change the gap a little bit and increase the layers. Let's say 30. Of course, my performance is compromised, but I like the texture now. And so this is how you are going to use the clouds. By the way, don't forget to change these settings and crank up the far view distance on your main view on your camera too. So basically the clouds will chase you in editor. When you are in editor, it will chase the editor's camera, and if you are in game, the clouds will chase the live camera, I mean current camera in the game. So yes, this is our clouds add-on. And one more thing, it works with mobile and compatibility too, and it interacts with the environment. Let me show you. This is a script from Godot shaders library. And as you can see, our sun is setting now, and clouds will change color with it. Okay, as you can see, these work perfectly. And now you can see my PC is struggling now because I have too many instances. I have to bring it down to 10. Now it is fine. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. This is my new Clouds add-on, POM Clouds add-on. So yes, grab him on GitHub, or if you are lucky, you will get him directly on asset library here on top. So yes, thank you for watching the video, and like, share to those who use Godot and make add-ons. I'll make one video on how to make add-ons too. So yes, for now, goodbye and keep making games.